What's good, guys? So today I started a vlog. I mean, last vlog which I uploaded was around 2 years ago. So today we are going to go to the license test. Let's start the vlog. So I've taken, some of the documents which are required. For verification, I had given about what Aadhaar card and all, and a passport for the verification. So it's going to my BY learner's license test. So this is I have to go to an RTO there because what happened is around while I was trying to verify my documents, it didn't apply. I was trying to fetch from my DigiLocker, so I didn't get connected. There was some comma issues. So now what I have to do, I have to go there and give the test online. So there's some comma issue. They were initially telling me to remove, but as well successfully done in my other documents, passports and PAN card. Well, again, if I change now, I'm going to have a big problem. So let's 20 रुपए GPay मारते. We got a rickshaw. So it says before 1 year I have to reach the spot. I'm just now leaving there. प्रॉब्लम अभी आ रहा है. Let's some practice for the test also. कुछ पढ़ाई तो हुआ ही नहीं है. This is all the locality. We call it Manikpur area. This is the most busiest side now. So from there front, now you have this 4 crossing. You have 4 connecting areas. To solve this, but I'm getting to fail every time. I'm just trying to stuck. Just learning a bit. So वहाँ से अलग. वाह. So this is an old school of mine, our St. Augustine's. So right now there's a building. Yeah, there is a new building up, if I'm not wrong. Now I was going by there. There's this Papri Tala, which is very popular here. This place is now having fences around. This was not there 6 to 7 years ago. Now it's looking good. It was raining yesterday. And when you see here inside, it's a Papri Tala fish market. So this is one of the most famous markets here, and this gets busier on Fridays. So I think so I have reached Papri proper. And there's one of the older colleges also. I will just show you in recent nobody, because right now this area is very most busiest. Small thing here. One of the most popular college. This is Thomas Baptista. They started in 1800. This is one of the oldest colleges in Vasai. And besides this, you have a church. That's the Papri Church, which you call. And the crazy part is now also there has been a lot of barricades. The fences have become high. So earlier what we used to do is to bunk from that behind thing. There was just only a wall. So we used to climb that, come out, and when we used to go to beaches, Suruchi beaches, back in 2017. Look at that green thing. That's a Vasai Killa side, which we come. That's a fort. So if I get the time, visit the Vasai fort also as well. Here I am, just almost reaching the office for 5 minutes or so. Like it states that you have to be within half an hour. That's how I'm just going. So once you come, you have one more college, GG College, which we call Konsalo Garcia. That's also one of the oldest colleges in Vasai. That's for the graduation and all. अभी तक आया नहीं है. I've been told to come at 3 because the slots have been very busy. I'll show you recently. The guy who came at 10, at 1, his applications are getting accepted. Sometimes this is down, servers are down, lights going off. It will take more time. Believe me, there are just, 3 computers handling. 2 are for the test and 1 is for the document verification. So one person sits and takes the document, he punches. It's for physical verification and then he manually feeds. Once your name comes and then you start to sit for tests. So once it's done, it's very easy. You will get to see, the document. You will get online the results. It's that tough. So when I go here, that's the place where I go for my document verification. Here you have all the driving license going on, the driving test actual. So finally I am done my test. Somewhat good, quick. Summary is that I've done my test. Actually, the thing what happened is right now, what I had been doing is that there was 2-time test. My name came, okay. First time I was trying to give questions. The 7th time the server went down. Second time the same thing happened. Again I had to wait for a while. Then now again I have to come here for a DL test. So right now I've passed an LL. So that will be applicable for 6 months. So after 30 days I can go for a learner's test. So now second time again I was demotivated. I gave wrong answers. Then now last time the questions were easy. I just get it about 10. So the man behind me told me to just quick, you have passed. So just click and just get over. Because there might be another server issue. During the third time there were 2 times light went. So this is what I did. I'm just happy I waited for 5 hours. It's too much line. So I couldn't record that part. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. There's a couple of things which I would like to clarify. First thing, I had tried for all purposes. I tried to do it manually. It's doing since 2 years. 2022 I started in April. So I thought it was the right time as I was hitting 20. So first when I did, okay, there was this thing, KYC verification. So everything was proper. Then the last, while payment options, while I was doing the payment or something, some server went down, or while at the payment every time when I used to log in with different browsers, there used to always come some server issues. Not the server, we have been attacked by some Trojan or something. 2 to 3 times I had this issue. The next time what I did is I did manual verification. So in that I did the payment thing. Then again I went to Virar RTO, not the Vasai one, the Virar one. So there I did everything. I got the slot also. Then I think so I was lacking something, some basic document. So I told okay. The second time I cancelled my application. This was 2 times. The third time when I was, everything was perfect. KYC verification was done, payment was done. There's no required to go to RTO to give the test. So third time, every time the application status was your application is under scrutiny. You have to go to Virar and verify again. I told this time I just gave up. I did it through an agent now. So while agent was also doing he told me that there's some issue with the comma, so again you have to change. So I told I have done that. I'm done in that using Aadhaar card. I will not change again. So I told him I will go there and give the test. So the test happened. I gave my test and I passed. So the minimum questions are around 9, as I told earlier. Means the passing mark is around 9. There are 15 questions, out of which 30 seconds are for each question. So after the validity is around 6 months. So for example, yesterday I got my driver's license test. So it was 10th of June. So it will be valid up to 9th or 10th of December. You can apply for learner's license. The driving license. So if you fail also in the learners, also you can reappear again. But after a week and you have to give what around, I don't know the charges. Approximately it's around 100 as was told by my agent. If I'm doing through an agent, so you have to reappear again if you fail the test. So that's it. I hope you like the vlog. So we'll be seeing you in the next one.